Okay, so I just want to share my knowledge on replacing this Kohler low profile one-piece toilet. This is the model K33863A. So you can see it has a special fill valve. You can't just use any old standard Fluidmaster fill valve. And you have to get a Fluidmaster PRO747K, or you can get the original Kohler fill valve, which is GP10688030. So that would be the part to get. You can get it at Home Depot. They have a different part number, which is 10688031.0. So you can get that, or the Fluidmaster. So my repair guy couldn't get that original part, and he used the Kohler, or rather he used the Fluidmaster 400A. That's a standard universal fill valve, and he had a hard time putting it in. He was able to make it work, but barely. So the water level adjustment is not perfect. So it's better to get the original equipment, OEM, or you can buy the replacement part from Home Depot. Home Depot doesn't have it in stock, and you might be able to get it at a specialty plumbing supply store. So before you make this repair, you probably should buy a gasket for your multi-turn valve, because most likely it will leak. So if you have a quarter turn shutoff, it'll probably work fine. Also, you have to turn off the main shutoff valve in your house to fix the shutoff valve for the toilet. So have all the parts ready before you make the repair. And then you should be able to do it, because this low profile refill valve works pretty much the same way like the regular toilet. It's just that it uses a special shortened refill valve. So, and then when you refill the water in the tank, make sure it's half-inch below the overflow tube. So, yeah, I just want to share this repair experience with people who want to fix their low-profile Kohler toilet tank.